If your Shopify store isn't working correctly, finding code changes and fixing theme errors can help restore functionality and prevent broken pages. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Actions on your active theme and select Edit Code to access your theme files, including Liquid, CSS, and JavaScript. Look for recent changes in the code that may have caused errors, or compare the current code with backups if available. Identify syntax errors, missing closing tags, or incorrect references that could be causing display or functionality issues. Make the necessary edits to correct the code or revert to a previous version if needed. After fixing the code, save your changes and preview the store to ensure everything is working correctly and the errors are resolved. After saving, your Shopify theme will function correctly with errors fixed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.